Mga kaswak, today we are not just eating, we are transforming into a dragon. Yes mga kaswak, para tayong mga dragon sa Game of Thrones pero gutom. This is the snack that literally lets you blow off usok and drama. Akala mo tahimik lang to but no. This snack crackles, poops, and biglang may fog machine sa bibig mo. Parang relationship mo, unexpected, maingay, pero masarap sa simula. So paano nga ba ito nagkausok? Simple lang, the magic behind this is liquid nitrogen. Yes, science mga kaswak. These crunchy corn puffs or cereal balls are dipped in liquid nitrogen right before serving. Kaya pag kinagat mo, the cold vapor escapes from your mouth and nose. Kaya mukha kang dragon na may pinagdadaanan. Safe siya as long as hinintay mong mawala ang sobrang lamig bago nguyain. Huwag agad-agad, much like falling in love. Perfect for barkada trips, food park adventures, or kung gusto mo lang magpanggap na may special effects sa buhay mo. This is not recommended if emotional ka. Baka literal kang maglabas ng usok sa ilong sa sobrang dami mong iniisip. This smoking balls, isang kagat, isang ulap ng alaala. Isang magandang alaala. This is Swak Adventures where the food is wild and the fun is real. Follow for more!